friends, today we are going to discuss an important and interesting topic of the syllabus, semiconductor. And let's start with the basics of the semiconductor. Friends, here I have given some important points and let's start with those points. Analog signal. What is meant by analog signal? It is the continuous variation of voltage with respect to time. Continuous variation of voltage with respect to times, it means that it represents a sinusoidal curve. That is, each cycle is having positive half cycle and negative half cycle. This is continuous variation of voltage with time. This is we call as analog signal. What is digital signal? Digital signal is a signal which follows only two numbers, 1 and 0, high and low, yes or no, true or false. And in this signal we are observing that this particular projection represents high value and this represents low value. That is 1, 0, yes, no. So digital signal follows binary language. What is binary system? A number system which has only one digits or 0 digit. That is a number system which follows only two numbers, 1 and 0 language. Now let's come to the rules of Boolean algebra. First one is idempotent law. A or A is A and A is A. Again, idempotent law, A or A is A and A is A. Involution law. What is involution law? Complement of a complement is the set itself. Complement of a complement is the input itself. What is commutative law? A or B can be written as B or A. A and B can be written as B and A. Associative law. A or B or C can be written as A or B or C. In the same way, A and B and C can be written as A and B and C. Distributive laws. A or B and C is equivalent to A or B and A or C. A and B or C is equivalent to A and B or A and C. Absorption laws. A and A or B. In this case, B is absorbed and the final answer is A only. A or A and B. In this case again B is absorbed, final answer is A. In the same consequence, we have any number with its complement when it is OR, answer is 1. X or X complement, answer is 1. X and X complement, answer is 0. This is very important for logic gate problems. X and X complement 0, X and X or X complement 1. So for solving problems of logic gates, you have to go through all those rules and you have to learn it properly. So it's my kind suggestion to use that. Write down all these formulae at least 10 times and try to memorize it. So analog signal, continuous signal. Digital signal, 1 and 0. Binary system, 1 and 0. And these are all important rules. Now let's come to the logic gates. What are logic gates? These are the devices having two or more than two inputs or one or more than one inputs but having only one output. I mean, logic gates have one or more than one input but they are having only one output. This is important point of the logic gate. Now there are different types of logic gates. Basic logic gates, universal logic gates, special logic gates. In the basic logic gates we are having AND, OR and NOT gate. NOT gate is also called as inverter gate. So AND, OR and NOT, these are the basic gates. Then universal gates, NAND and NOR. And special gate, XOR and XNOR. In the next topics, we are going to discuss all these things in detail.